Now to give you a brief overview about how it works is, let's say that you have an application that wants to interact with the Azure SQL database. Now what you can do is to accomplish this is just register this app in Azure AD. Now when you register an application in Azure AD, two things get generated. One is the application object and the second one is service principal. So let's say that I am here to on this Azure portal and I want to register this app. When I register this app, two things will get generated. One is Azure application object and second is service principal. So what happens is the permission that are required to interact with Graph API are given to that service principal, and since that application object is tied to that service principal, application object the application object gets those permissions, and since that application object is tied to this app, or somehow this app is registered you know here on this Azure AD, this app gets access to the Azure AD or Azure resource. It can be SQL, it can be database, or maybe it needs to interact with the Graph API to get some information. All of that can be accomplished using this method.